Furniture refers to movable objects intended to support various human activities. Furniture is also used to hold objects at a convenient height for work. It can be a product of design and can be considered a form of decorative art. In addition to furniture's functional role, it can serve a symbolic or religious purpose. It can be made from a vast multitude of materials, including metal, plastic, and wood. Furniture can be made using a variety of woodworking joints which often reflects the local culture. People have been using natural objects, such as tree stumps, rocks and moss, as furniture since the beginning of human civilization and continues today in some households/campsites. Archaeological research shows that from around 30,000 years ago, people started to construct and carve their own furniture, using wood, stone, and animal bones. Today, there are different types of furniture serving you several purposes. Most furniture pieces are made with their purpose in mind, while some are made for decorative purposes only. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Since ancient times, people believed that the right furniture brings love, happiness, and good luck to the house. Today, we can imagine a room without furniture. It is a necessary attribute of our entire life. We all know that we need furniture for comfort, storage, sitting, and relaxation. Unplanned furniture purchases have an impact on your decor and can fill the space. Choosing the right one for your home or office not only improves the overall beauty of the space, but it also relieves stress. It encourages a healthy way of life, both mentally and physically. By selecting the right furniture, you can relax at home and leave the outside world at the door. Decorating is a wonderful way to express your creativity. Furniture has always been important in our lifestyle, and it keeps changing according to the trend and use. There are many of furniture like traditional, modern, and upholstery, etc. that make our lives easy and comfortable. It adds a unique charm to the indoor and outdoor environment. Whereas everyone requires furniture of some time to make their life comfortable, and the basic furniture that is used by everyone in bed and sofa. Furniture is also important because it brings grace to the interiors of the house or office, like dining table, wall furniture, chairs and almirahs, etc. that solves many purposes like utility, visual weight by giving a balanced view, space differentiation. Furniture is important because it has many functions in any room in your house. For example, the essential element for a living room is the sofa, and it is the furniture that gives you space to relax while watching a television series or a movie, receiving family, friends, etc. In addition, it also creates a focal point for the decoration of your home. That is why it is so important to know what style you have and current needs before acquiring any of them. Another important and perhaps underrated piece of home decor is the coffee table, which works to hold drinks, snacks, remotes, magazines, and much more. In addition, it works as a relevant element to complement the style. Apart from enhancing the looks of the place, it is nearly impossible to live without the furniture items as it provides a unique charm and warmth at the place. So, utility is one of the most important factors as there are so many furniture items with multipurpose which are being used in our daily lives. Placing furniture items in a certain manner category in the spaces like a bedroom, living room, dining room, balcony, lounge, etc. for better use of space and comfort. You can choose from a wide variety of furniture items for your place as it keeps you motivated and gives a special feeling of belonging. Many websites have also started providing customized service so that you can plan your space accordingly with the unique items that no one else has. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wood decorative pieces ideas for your interior design and home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.